Hey there, traders and investors. Todd Gordon here with New Age Wealth Advisors. I'm just doing a little bit of chart work here on the semiconductor ETF, which is, I think, a really important market that's obviously semis are driving this tech innovation and the major bull market that's been in place, pre-COVID, during COVID, and now we have a little bit of a rotation out into value stocks, as energy and industrials and financials are being really bid up with inflationary pressures and interest rates going up. But I wanted to look at chips here real quick and kind of lean on my old life as a technician here that I do still rely on as we're running portfolios here at New Age Wealth. But just a quick little background here. One of the technical models that we use has and will show that the market, obviously makes new highs, followed by higher lows, a new high, higher lows. And then the structure of the corrections, you would expect to see some form of these guys right here, which I'm highlighting, which is down, a lower high, and then a lower low. So it's basically a 1, 2, 3, down, and then the uptrend resumes. If we have seen a significant top, this tendency will break and it'll do the same thing, down, a lower high, and then we'll break down. But then this next wave, in a true market rollover, will keep going. And it'll break down into 5 smaller clean waves like this. And that's sort of an indication right in here that, okay, maybe we've seen a significant top. So, when you go to the mall and it says the "you are here," little arrow, basically we're right here in the SMH. And what I'll show you is the current chart of the SMH doesn't look anything like this right here, which again is a signature of a significant top. So here's the actual SMH ETF, and there's a lot of stuff on here. Don't worry, I usually do this stuff behind the scenes. I don't want to share all the gory details with you, but I think it's important. So again, here's that basic structure that I was talking about, which is down, lower high, and then we're making a new low. As I showed you in the model over there with a lot more sort of urgency to the downside, you're not seeing it here in SMH. What you're seeing is a lot of hesitant, choppy price action, which again doesn't have a high degree of conviction on the downside, and that's leading to momentum divergences. So again, if we're going to have a significant top and start to make new lows, you expect to see more deliberate downside price action. And this momentum indicator called RSI is actually making a higher low, which is indicating that even though price has gone to new low, the momentum or conviction is waning. So this, to me, guys, just really looks like a sloppy, simple final move of a correction, which is just an ABC correction, which I do think we're going to find support, and then semis can make new highs. So hopefully that helps. Again, usually I don't get into the gory details with the technicals, but I think that's important. Had a good conversation with Bennett, who runs trading analysis over this yesterday. I want to bring it to your attention. Okay, hope that helps, guys. Have a great weekend.